Leaving things plugged in when we're not actually using the item is called phantom power, or vampire power. So, welcome to week 3 of the energy challenge. 1 second. Thanks, So how does phantom power work exactly? How can something still be using energy when I've clearly turned it off? Well, that's why it's called phantom power. Because it's power that is still being used even when you can't see it. A lot of devices today store and use energy even when they're not on, like phone chargers left into the wall when you're done charging, appliances with little indicator lights or clocks, as well as computers with black screens, laptops with their lids closed. Another example of some major electronics that do this are actually gaming consoles. So systems use a sleep mode when they're off so that they still consume a small amount of power. However, sometimes sleep modes are hidden in a system, so unless we check our settings and unplug the device, we are still using tons of phantom power. Some of the ways you can actually see or feel the vampire power that is sucking your energy and money is to look for charging blocks that are warm to the touch, fans that you can hear running in your computers or devices, indicator lights like those on televisions, and visible screens like those in printers. Those are some of the ways to know you're still using energy. When we really look at it, it seems like unplugging things safely when we're done using something, even if we can't tell if it's using phantom power or not, is still the best way to avoid any wasted power. Remember, never unplug anything on your own. Always check with someone first. With that said, I think you have a pretty good understanding for dealing with these phantoms and vampires. Now let's talk about this week's activities. 1, of course, is to watch this video, so step 1, check. Now your next goal is to go around your classroom and check for phantom power. What is being left plugged in when it's not needed? What is a safe time to unplug things, and how can you come up with a plan to make sure that the least amount of phantom power is used? Think about how long computers are left plugged in over the weekends and holidays when no one's there to use them. Some other bonus activities to do this week are to 1, write a letter to younger grades teaching them about phantom power. 2, have your class make an announcement over the PA about phantom power. And 3, find phantom power at your home. Your home activity will be to figure out where you might have phantoms lurking and wasting your energy and money. Now, with that being said, I will say goodbye and the best of luck on week 3.